Hello and welcome back to Math with Us. In this video, we are going to focus on division of surds. For division of surds also, we don't need like surds. Let us understand by taking few examples. Suppose if I take first example, square root of 2 divided by square root of 6. So, it will be equals to under root 12. We have to do the division of radicand. 12 divided by 6. So we'll cancel it out and we get 6 times 1, 6 times 2. So we'll get root 2 as a solution. Suppose, assuming if I take second example, root 18 divided by root 2. So here we have to divide the radicand. So 18 divided by 2. We'll cancel it out. 2 times 1, 2 times 9 is 18. So we get here root 9. And root 9 will be 3. So 3 will be the solution. Let us take third example. Here if I take 8 root 14 divided by 2 root 7. So here we have to divide this rational number by the rational number. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 4 is 8. So here we get the denominator 1 and this we have to divide radicand 14 divided by 7. So this 4 and here 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14. So here this 4 will be as it is and root 2. So 4 root 2 will be the solution. Let us take our fourth example. Assuming if I take 20 root 32 divided by 5 root 8. So we have to divide this rational number by the rational number. So 20 divided by 5 and here radicand will be divided by radicand. So 32 divided by 8. So here we get 20 divided by 5 as 4 and in the radicand we will have 8 times 8 1 times 1 is 8, 8 times 4. So here we'll get 4. Now this square root of 4 means 2. So we'll get 4 times 2, 8 as a solution. That's all for this video. I hope this video is useful to you. Please hit the like button and share the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.